Welcome, grammar fans. Welcome to Lesson 12, Used to. Before you start, watch the video Extra Introduction to Modals and Semi-modals. In this lesson, we'll learn about the semi-modal used to and the modal X word would for things that we did in the past. Used to tells us about something that we did in the past, but not now. It modifies the verb that comes after it, like a modal, and it always matches with a base verb. Because it's always about the past, we use did as the X word. Because it's in the past, there's no third person S. It's used to for every person. Used to is often used for habits. John used to smoke, but he quit 3 years ago. Brenda used to live in the Dominican Republic, where it is always warm, but now she lives in New York City. A cup of coffee didn't used to be expensive. I used to pay 25 cents. Used to always talks about the past, so we use did as an X word. The did mouse hides behind used to. It comes out of hiding to make a question. Did coffee used to be 25 cents? Or a negative. Coffee didn't used to be so expensive. Don't use used to for things that you did one time or things that you did for a short time. Use the past instead. I visited the Eiffel Tower in 2017. Would plus a base form is also used for things that we did in the past but not now. It's used especially for memories. When I was little, I would play with Legos for hours. Careful. If you see used to plus a noun box instead of a verb, used to has a different meaning. It means to become accustomed to or become familiar with a new thing. Brenda is from the Dominican Republic, where it is always warm. She will never get used to the weather in New York. In review, used to tells us about something we did in the past, but not now. Used to always takes the base form. Used to always uses did as an X word. Would, VB, can also talk about things we did in the past, especially memories. What should you do next? Read Lesson 12, do the exercises, and make a list of things you used to do but don't do now.